Today I'm going to show you how to create a transition. You can use the preset transitions or you can create your own. So I'm going to show you both. Why you'd want these transitions is so that you have a smooth transition between your two clips. So like you would see at the end of one clip, it's fading into black and then into the next clip. So you have multiple preset transitions that you can use. My suggestion is to zoom in to where you're going to put your transition, and if you're using the presets, you're going to put it over here where it sits over both clips. So I'm going to use this blur dissolve because it's quite effective, and for this purpose you can see it quite nicely. So you're going to just drag and drop it, and it will fall across basically in the middle of these two clips on the join. My suggestion is to zoom in so that you can actually see this little block here that goes over it. You can actually click on it and you will be able to change the length of time that transition is between the two clips. And you will also be able to delete it if you wanted to, as long as it's selected with the red marker, the red outline, you can right click it and then you can say delete. So when we play it back, this is how it's going to look. And it gives you a nice transition from one clip to the other. You can also create your own transition. So how you're going to do that is we're going to delete this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to generators and we're going to click on a solid color, and we're going to put that on a track 2 above your video clip. And again, also you're going to for the length of time that you want it to transition over, and again you will put it so that it goes over both videos, basically in the center of the two of the clipped area. You can make it white so that it's a flash white, or you can make it black. I find that the black is quite nice. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on here and you're going to then go into your inspector and you're going to change the color. I'm going to leave it as black. I'm going to leave it as black for now. So from here, what you'll do is you will click on your inspector and you'll click on your color that you wanted to make. For now, I'm going to leave it black. I will show you how to do white in a minute. Then you're going to go to settings and you're going to scroll down to your composite, and you're going to change your opacity. You're going to have your marker at the beginning and you're going to change opacity to 0. Then you're going to click in the center and you're going to click on the diamond, which will allow you to animate, and you will pull that up to 100%. And then you'll go to your end of your solid color and click on the diamond and go back to 0. So that when we play it back, it will transition in and out. You can also make it a white flash, and you can see the same thing. The only difference is that you're going to change your color to white. And that's it for today. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like this, please make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.